A Therizinosaurus is telling the truth, then it chased the baby away. Then, the baby should have gone where his mother was, but he didn't go. That means he probably got captured by a predator.
That's it, I'm out. I don't want to get eaten.
KK, we're the brave jungle detectives. If there's a predator around, it'll be hard to investigate. Tell us, is there anyone in the area that would hunt your baby as prey?
There is, but those guys are scared of me. They'd never touch my baby.
Your baby might have wandered into their territory. Let's go over there and look for him.
Okay.
Is he here? I found him! You can come out now.
Don't wanna, I'm scared!
It's okay. Your mommy asked us to find you.
My mommy?
That's right. Come on out. Let's go to your mom.
Hop on my back!
That little one is gonna be our lunch. Stop right there.
We found your baby.
I'll take over from here. Oh, son, I told you not to run off on your own.
Now the mystery is solved. Hey, jungle detectives, we make a pretty good team.
That's because I know what I'm doing. The baby Tarbosaurus got himself into danger when he wandered into Velociraptor territory and touched one of their eggs without permission.
You know what? I really want to go home.
Don't worry. I know a way for you to get back home. It's an old legend that has been passed down. It might be a dangerous spot. I heard there was a passage that led to another dimension.
The mystery is solved.